Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, it's all about FoodFam API. If you are using Spring Boot framework, so this is useful to you if you are backend developer. So after you unzip and open the project like this, FoodFam API, then select other sources, then double click this application properties. So as you can see, you have the database name is FoodFarm API. Then change it to your MySQL password if you are using. So let's run this project to create database FoodFarm API. So if FoodFarm API created database if not exist, then true, it will create database. So refresh. So we don't have yet a FoodFarm API database. So let's run this project to create the database. Run. Then okay. Then the Spring Boot server is ready. Then refresh. So we have here FoodFarm API database. So able to um, store data from this table. So click this database. No, this server. Then click data import. Then select import from self-contained file. Select. Then inside the FoodFarm API, there's file database. So click this one. Then open. Then start to import. So successfully imported without error. So let's proceed to our server. So let's open the local host. Click. So we have here API. So this is a get method. So as you can see, we have recipe list, keyword tofu, search by using keyword tofu, then find by ID one. So this is the example. So we can see this method in source packages, then this one API, then API recipe controller. Then we have here mapping. Okay, search. Okay, find by ingredients. This is one of the most important of this when you create API. This one. So find by ingredients. So let's back to the this one. Click this one. Then if you are a developer, then you will see a lot of data. This is JSON. So if we search here, green beans. So there's green beans. Okay. Then for example, this is only beans. Then comma, which is let's see, localhost. Okay, the keyword is comma or plus. So let's put tomato. So there's a lot of recipe which is using ingredients beans and potato. So let's proceed to um, JSON to table. So as you can see here, maybe this okay, this one to see the data. Let's copy this one. We're using potato lang. Potato. Okay, this one. So let's copy this JSON format. So here, this is the JSON. Then paste. Then where is the run? So we have here table. So we have the ID of this one is green beans. This is the recipe. The next one, next recipe is um, roasted potato and turkey hash. So we have this is the table of the JSON. This is the image. So let's open this one. Localhost, then paste to see the image. This is the image of the um, this one green beans with potatoes and smoked turkey. Then this one. This is the ingredients. Ingredients. Then instruction. This is the instruction how to cook. Then next one. This is the note. And this is the nutrition facts. This one, cholesterol, dietary fiber, vitamin E, iron, calcium. So this is the example of FoodFam API if you are using backend. So this is good. So let's try another other for this one. For example, recipe. It's almost the same with this one. So category, find by ID. This is the recipe list. There's a lot of recipe. This is the mapping. So next is let's proceed to JSON um, to Java. Okay, this one. So let's copy this one. Let's copy this to view the Java code. So click this XML, this JSON Java. So here convert. So this is the class that I'm using. This is classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. 9 tables in this UPPI. So thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Bye.